Eye fitness, the path to improve visual acuity. Revitalize your vision with eye movement. Dive into the science of how stagnation and lack of physical activity can adversely affect your vision. Learn actionable strategies to boost blood flow, oxygen, and nutrients to your eyes. For naturally enhancing your sight, it's time to activate your way to a clearer vision naturally. The impact of body blocks and clamps on eyesight. How stagnation affects your vision. Various blocks or clamps throughout the body, such as in the neck, legs, shoulders, can directly influence your eyesight. Stress and tension in these areas can lead to discomfort, manifesting quickly in the eye muscles and potentially deteriorating vision. Stressful situation, in particular, can place significant strain on our eyes. The connection between physical activity and vision. Physical activity plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy vision. For the eyes to function optimally, they need ample blood flow, oxygen, and electrical impulses. These necessities support the complex biochemistry within our eyes. A lack of activity can lead to stagnant blood flow and a slowdown in metabolism, which in turn can cause toxins to accumulate in the eye capillaries, impairing vision. Furthermore, insufficient blood and oxygen supply can lead to the premature aging of eye cells and a slowdown in their recovery, resulting in weaker vision. Addressing the uneven activity of the brain hemispheres, amblyopia or lazy eye, can be a consequence of uneven activity between the brain hemispheres. Typically, the hemispheres of the brain that is more developed dominates, influencing the strength and functionality of the corresponding eye. Synchronizing the brain hemispheres through simple exercises can enhance nerve impulses and brain activity, leading to improved control over eye functions. What to do if vision blurs after exercises? Experience a temporary blur in vision. Post-exercises can indicate that the visual system is not ready for intense activity. This phenomenon suggests a need to gradually prepare and strengthen the visual system for such eye exercises. Key takeaways for enhancing vision naturally. First, stay active. Regular physical activity improves blood circulation, ensure efficient oxygen and nutrient delivery, and aids in the removal of toxin from cells, including those in the eyes. Second, quality rest. After exercising, it's important to give your eyes and body time to rest and recover from any stress or strain, especially take breaks from screens. Third, relieve muscle tension. Addressing and alleviating muscle spasm and tension can have a significant positive impact on vision clarity. Enroll in Eyesight Academy course, a blueprint for better eyesight. Join online program with a comprehensive plan to enhance your vision through the best eye exercises, tension relief, and eye relaxation techniques. Understanding the crucial role of keeping your body active and relaxed in maintaining healthy vision. With practical tips and insights, we will navigate the path to clearer sight and a healthier lifestyle. A link in the description below. By understanding the intricate connection between our body, overall activity, eye muscle tension, and brain hemisphere synchronization, we can take proactive steps toward maintaining and improving our eyesight. Remember, every action and its visual assessment have direct implication on our body and by extension our vision. Ensuring active, balanced and stress-free lifestyle can lead to a better, happier lives through improved vision.